So Thanonosasis is probably 25 minutes northeast of Tampa.
What's going on?
Kristen, Marisa, how are you?
Welcome to our property. This place is big.
Huge.
1.2 acres.
Beautiful.
We have a daughter, Gia, and we have a little boy, Benny. And now we're gonna start building a new home, and you guys are gonna help us.
So what prompted you to just say we're ready to make a move?
I have been just wanting to get out of our current neighborhood. We currently back up to a very busy street where cars fly at 55 miles an hour.
Wow.
And it's scary because the kids are playing outside and
Okay, probably not very peaceful with the traffic noise either.
Right.
So why are you in dire need of getting this house done so quickly?
we put our house in the market and it actually sold. We have about 2 weeks to close and we have to be out, so per se.
Yeah.
So
The plan is to move in with my mother-in-law, his mom, in a townhome.
it's gonna be a good opportunity for grandma to be with the kids.
Yeah, for sure.
It's one bathroom with one sink.
2 bedrooms for the 4 of us, and mom lives on the same floor. It's gonna be tight.
You guys gonna be able to hang in there?
We'll be able to hang in there because with you, we get a home in 100 days, hopefully.
So we've got to get started. We need to know like what the must-haves are in your dream home.
3 bedrooms. We need 2.5 baths.
I would love a back lanai so our kids can play on this beautiful acre while we're
Yeah.
outside watching them.
Okay.
And then also, he works from home, so we want an office space. And I was thinking that we can make that multifunctional. Combine our office space with a play space for the kids.
It's almost like a flex space.
Right.
So we know you guys bought this lot for $112,500. How much does that leave us in your budget to build your dream home?
The max budget we have is $405,000. We cannot exceed that.
Next step, inspiration tours, and we're gonna get this party started.
Yeah. Woo.
Kristen and Mauricio, oh my goodness. So we know you like a farmhouse style. So today we have got to figure out your floor plan because that's the next step in this process. Inspiration tours are part of the strategy to get a house done in 100 days because seeing different things in application help my clients make decisions quickly. So the exterior is the first thing you see. It's so important that we get it right. With this particular exterior, I chose something with neutral colors, so I kind of wanted to see your reaction to that.
I love the white, but we want more of a texture, like stone and the batten board, the hardy siding.
Ooh, I like that.
This is beautiful.
Wide, big, open, love it.
I love the focal point of this room and how the fireplace is. It really draws your eye. My dream has always been to have a wood-burning fireplace. It's something about that crackling fire. It really creates that warm and cozy environment.
Okay. Now let's go discuss your layout for the kitchen.
I love the white cabinetry.
It's bright in here.
Yes, and look at the nook. This is exactly what we want in our home.
Ah.
Not a formal dining room, but a nook.
That's super convenient, especially with the kids in the morning.
I also love the island, but we definitely want to make this bigger for us so that we can have some seating there as well.
Okay, great. So now that we've figured out your kitchen, we should talk about the bedrooms. What do the kids' spaces need to look like?
I love this little girl's room.
Isn't it
I
cute?
can envision something like this just for Gia.
It's a really good size,
Yeah.
yep.
Cool. So we'll make sure they're spacious enough. Do they have like a favorite, style?
I've been thinking about the office space. Currently, I have to share with our kids. We're kind of tight, so I'm looking to see other options. Every time I'm like, Kristen, come get the kids. I'm in a call, and you have to push them out, close the doors. It comes to a point where I need to be able to work with privacy.
Separate office.
Yes.
Is what we're talking.
I think so.
We're adding a whole additional room is what it sounds like, which adds $10,000 to the budget. I know Mauricio works from home, and having a 3- and 4-year-old running in and out of an office when you're trying to get work done is definitely not ideal. But there's also a budget, because that's a huge expense if you're adding a whole additional room to a floor plan.
More privacy equals more money.
Yes, it does.
So that's something that we definitely have to talk about.
Today was floor plan, and I definitely feel like I can walk away with enough knowledge to meet with Brian and come up with a perfect blueprint for their dream home. Woo! Today is a big day, you guys.
Are you ready to see your future dream farmhouse?
We've got your floor plan, and we really want to share your dream home with you. We're going to talk about what you see when you first pull up.
We did the board and batten, the horizontal lap siding, and stone accents.
Beautiful.
Yeah. We have a beautiful wraparound L-shaped porch all around the front. We also wanted to make sure that you don't see garage doors when you pull up, so we did a side entry garage door.
I love that.
Yes.
You want to walk them to their front door?
Absolutely. So right off the entryway, we were able to make a designated smaller study without really changing the square footage of the home.
That's nice.
Great. And then you have the great room, the kitchen, and the breakfast nook over here overlooking your beautiful backyard.
That's great.
We've got this 1 acre lot, so we made sure that we gave you access to your backyard from your great room, and we kept it country style because we're doing some French doors.
Yeah. Instead of doing the single set of French doors, I love windows, so can we do a double set of French doors?
We can definitely add kind of a twin French doors going out to that back lanai.
Yes.
Thank you.
Now, with the kitchen, we wanted to give you a lot of storage, so we decided to actually tuck your pantry behind the kitchen area, and from there, we also added that half bath, a mudroom, and a laundry space.
Whoa.
We were also able to squeeze in a bonus room. It can be used as a playroom now, but you could easily convert that to a game room or a movie theater.
It'll grow with them.
It sure will. So we're gonna travel back to the other side. We took one wing of the home for the 3 main bedrooms. The kiddos are there. They'll be able to share this bathroom. And then your bedroom is nice and spacious. We wanted to make sure to include a nice walk-in shower, a beautiful soaking tub, and then a beautiful view to your backyard.
Amazing.
Surreal. Surreal.
Yep.
All in all, this dream home is gonna include 3 bedrooms, plus your designated study, the playroom, 2.5 baths, and just under 2,400 square feet.
And we're gonna keep it within the budget of $405,000.
We're so excited. Thank you.
Yes!
Thank you.
Now, and I gotta get out of the way. We are breaking ground, so pretty soon, these blueprints are gonna be a reality. Let's go. Today, we're gonna scrape the lot, we're gonna lay out the lot, we're gonna dig the footers. That's the goal.
You know, during design meetings, I'm gonna be throwing a lot of decisions at you guys, and I want you to feel confident when you make those decisions for your dream home, so cool.
We're ready.
Today, I'm meeting with Kristen and Mauricio at my design studio to conquer paint colors and flooring. Where we should start is the interior paint, right? Like, what is our tone gonna feel like on the interior walls of this house?
Yeah. I would say that we gravitate towards grayish.
Yeah.
So we're wanting more of like that gray brown.
Now, I already know you love the white cabinets, so I brought a sample to compare it to. I think that if you guys are leaning towards grayish, we've got this kind of family right here. What are your thoughts?
Maybe more of the darker just because we are going so light.
Kind of has some nice contrast.
Yeah. Would you be okay with that one?
Absolutely.
Do you like kind of having a richer, darker floor, or do you want something a little bit lighter?
Oh, wow. That's actually a really nice contrast with this color, and it kind of pulls some of the gray tone out of this.
I like it.
So this is a really good choice, you guys. I feel like this definitely has that farmhouse look. Are you guys thinking you want to do the same material throughout?
I am thinking that.
The concrete is officially flowing here at Kristen and Mauricio's dream home. Beautiful foundation setting up here. My man Ronnie smoothing it out. After this sets up and dries, we're going vertical with this house. And if I stand still and talk too much longer, I'm gonna be stuck. We're going vertical today, it's always a big day. This brings back great memories for Walt. He used to be a block boy back in the day. How much you used to do one day by yourself?
A good day was 600.
600?
Yeah. Yeah. I probably could do 50 today.
Trusses are here, so the framers are kind of waiting on us to finish the block here.
We could have a roof on here in a couple of days.
Exactly. This is the final truss going in on Mauricio and Kristen's house. Look how quickly it takes shape. We started like 2 hours ago, putting the last one in place right now. Cheers. Nice work.
That was fast.
Super fast. All right. Check it out, mate. Today we're meeting with Kristen and Mauricio at their dream home for their Midpoint check-in, which is awesome because that means we're halfway completed with the project. I mean, that wraparound front porch.
I love that. I love the double entry. They're gonna walk in. It's just gonna be one huge gathering area for the family.
We're building this house so quick, we have not even thought about special projects, which we have a little bit of time before Mauricio and Kristen get here. We need to figure that out today.
We love doing special projects for our families because it just kind of throws their personality into it.
So here's the thing. So we have $10,000 I think we set aside for this, right?
Yeah.
We're gonna spend $390,000 on the actual build, leaving us $15,000 for landscaping and special projects.
So here's what I'm thinking. After doing the inspiration tours with them, they fell in love with the idea of a really beautiful wood-burning fireplace. I would love to do an electric fireplace to still give her that fire ambiance without burning the entire budget.
I'm game for this.
Come on in.
excited?
Thank you. Benny, it's not a hexagon. You okay with
What's
that?
that shape?
Oh, diamond.
Diamond.
Yes. Okay, this is a contender. I feel like we've got a good start on the kids' bathroom. We should probably take a look, though, at some options for your main bathroom.
Yeah. And I think I do want to stick with the wood look into the bathroom because originally I wanted the LVP throughout the home.
Yep.
Just because I really like that rustic type of feel.
So all of this is tile. So as you notice, they can really do a lot with making the detail have that same vibe and movement.
I do like how this is more wood color.
Okay, so then we're just gonna go with the ones that we feel have more of that natural wood look. I will grab those and put them over on the table.
Perfect. Okay.
Sweet.
That looks good.
All right, you guys, so real quick, because we're kind of making this decision later than I like in the process, I really wanna make sure that they're in stock.
Okay.
All right, so hold tight and then hopefully we're done with all your floors.
We'll cross fingers.
I have to make sure these two choices are in stock and doesn't have a long lead time because we are already behind. Flooring should have been selected weeks ago. So, I've got good news for Mr. Benny because the hexagon is available. We can pick this bad boy up as early as tomorrow.
Great.
Good.
So that's a win. Whew, kids' bathroom done.
Yes.
This guy right here has about an 8-week lead time, and that is not going to coincide with the schedule we have for your build. And this other one is available, so
Okay.
what are your thoughts?
I mean, that was definitely a second choice, even when we were looking at it for me over there. So I'm okay with that, as long as we can get that one in.
Yes.
I'm happy with that.
I'm happy with that.
So we have a lot to get done today. So backsplash is going in. We have the entry arch going in. Joe and I gotta finish his fireplace. We got trim going in.
Yeah, there's quite a bit, but I love it. Top of that, I'm painting an accent wall in Gia's room that's gonna personalize the space. So, I mean, this is true teamwork, and that is really the only way that we can get these houses done in 100 days.
It's all coming together. We have so much work to do still.
We are on day 99 at Kristen and Mauricio's dream home. And man, we've got everybody working together to get this house to perfection because they are going to be coming home tomorrow. I wanted a little bit more.
You want it on the rug?
Yeah.
If this build was a football game, we are on the 1-yard line, about ready to push it in for a touchdown. All right, I'm heading back out.
All right, cool.
If you need anything, holler through the window.
I sure will. Thank you.
Meek, why did you want me to get real firewood for an electric fireplace?
Because you have to have the whole ambiance.
I get it.
Doesn't it look great?
Today is day 100. It's a big reveal day for Kristen and Mauricio. Ooh!
Lovely.
Their dream was to have a farmhouse, and I think we made that dream a reality.
The best part of this is one of the letters that her dad wrote her.
It's like honoring his memory, but also creating new memories at the same time. So
Yeah.
Kristen's dad gifted them with the money for this land, so to see it all pay off today and grow into this beautiful dream home is something special.
We're almost there, babe.
I know, 2 blocks.
They are on the way. You know we gotta go test out this swing that you did not want to hang up, but you have to
Well,
admit.
I will say, now that it's up, they are going to love this.
All right, babe. We're pulling into the road.
Oh my gosh, is that their car
Is that
pulling
them
up?
pulling up?
What? This is unbelievable.
Wow.
It exceeds anything I ever thought that this could be. The landscaping, everything.
Shutters.
Wow. The stone, the siding, the batten board. I mean, it's incredible. The way that you guys put this together. That swing's super cool too.
Yeah.
All right, if you guys are impressed with this front porch, you're really gonna be impressed with the inside. You ready?
Yes.
Moment you've been waiting for.
Babe, wow.
Welcome home.
Wow, there's no way that this is ours.
Oh, yes, it is.
Oh my.
Mika,
So awesome.
that's my fireplace.
Yes.
See, I think you thought I was a dream crusher when we did the inspiration tours, but We still made it happen. And even though it's an electric fireplace, it's a nice focal point.
Look at
mean,
the
The
mantle.
brick.
This is incredible.
Yeah.
This is real?
We wanted it to feel like a traditional wood-burning fireplace
Yeah.
without burning the entire budget.
It's breathtaking. I mean, the words are missing up here.
I mean, this is beautiful.
This is so big.
Yeah, and I love everything. The brick that you pulled, the double French doors, the countertops, the backsplash. I mean, this is incredible. It's mind-blowing.
Over here, you guys wanted to include a nook.
I love this area.
Yeah.
This is where we're going to be having all of our family meals. And the way that the natural light just comes in from every single window, it's beautiful.
This area is awesome. But I want to show you guys a room that was a very hot topic of discussion during our planning.
Woo, the playroom. Look at the carpet. Very cool.
You think that Benny and Gia will like this?
I think they're going to love this.
They
They have their own
love this.
space.
Yes. Let's see where you're gonna work.
Where I'm gonna play.
Where you're gonna play too. Yeah.
Oh, so you really don't want to work in there. I see how it is.
Your playroom.
Whoa. Your playroom, babe.
This is awesome.
Yeah.
So you think you can get a
This
little bit
looks
more
great.
work done in here than with the kids running around?
Absolutely.
Now let's
Next
hang out
stop in the tour?
the
This
kids'
way.
wing.
Yes.
Wow.
Check it out.
Look at that. I love their little stools.
Isn't that cute?
Yeah.
Wow.
Tiles are awesome.
Benny's gonna like those hexagon tile for sure.
He's the youngest member of the family, and at 3 years old, he is part of the house design of your dream
Right?
home. So that's so cool.
Yeah.
All right, it's time to see the kids' rooms.
Ooh, let's go see it.
Gia's room. Whoa, look at the paint. This is amazing. Oh, look at the
Right?
lighting.
Isn't that cool?
Yes,
very
it's
cool.
really cool. She's gonna love it.
Do you remember the tile that Gia picked out that she wanted for their bathroom?
Her little mermaid scale.
It had the same kind of pattern.
Oh yeah. Whoa.
And that dresser size, it's like the perfect scale for this room.
Dun, dun, dun. You got it, right?
Mauricio got it. Thank you. Should we see Benny's space?
We themed out his room too.
Very
Awesome.
cool. Let's
All
go.
right.
What? Look at it. Out of this world. Look how cute, you guys.
I love that she said that.
Love. Look at the batten board.
This was an inexpensive way to do an accent wall and create it with more than one color.
That is
Super cute.
awesome.
Yeah.
Yes.
I love the theme that
good.
you guys chose.
Yes. He's gonna love this.
Enough spoiling the kids.
Yeah.
It's time to spoil you guys to check out your main suite.
Yeah.
Come on.
All the
I
way.
love this.
Look at our bedroom, honey. It's so perfect.
This room looks big.
The layout's perfect.
You guys hit it out of the park.
You want to check out the bathroom?
Yes. Wow, the tile came out.
Yes. Look at this.
It almost looks similar to the LVP that's out there.
Yes.
I know.
So I'm glad that we went with this. This is a great space. I mean, there's no way that we could have achieved this beautiful home without the help of Brian and Mika. Absolutely no way.
I think Dad had something to do with that.
Yeah.
He put them in our path so we can have a home fast.
You know, we started this journey trying to figure out your floor plan. We ended up building 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bath, an office, and a separate playroom.
Yeah, I can't believe it.
And we kept it all in your budget of $405,000,
Wow.
which I know makes you both very happy.
Yeah.
We're gonna let you now enjoy your space. Thank you for letting us be a part of this
Yeah.
important journey in your life.
Thank you, Mika. Thank you, Brian.
Yes.
We're just ready to begin our forever. This is where we're planning on staying for the rest of our lives. Hi! Welcome! Come in, guys! We're incredibly blessed. I mean, this whole entire journey, it's been great. This is incredible. I know.